In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your document using the export feature effectively. Whether you're preparing your artwork for digital use or print, mastering the export process is crucial for ensuring that your work looks exactly how you intended it to. So, grab your documents and let's get started. First, with your document already open on your screen, you'll want to look towards the top left corner of your interface. Here, you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you'll want to navigate to the Export option, which will lead you to another submenu where you'll find Export As. Select Export As to open up the Export dialog. Once you're inside the Export dialog, the first thing you'll need to do is choose the location where you'd like to save your file. This is done by selecting a folder or directory on your computer where it will be easily accessible for future use. Additionally, at this step, it's important to give your file a meaningful name that you'll recognize later. You'll find the field for entering the file name right next to the location selector. Now, moving on to the format. There's a drop-down menu labeled Save as Type if you're on Windows or simply Format if you're using a Mac. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see various file formats you can choose from, such as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF, among others. Select the format that best suits your needs, keeping in mind factors like compatibility or file size. If your document contains multiple artboards, there's an additional decision you need to make. Decide whether you want to export all the artboards in one go or only a specific range. There's an option to use artboards that, when checked, ensures each artboard is exported as a separate file. Leaving it unchecked will export the entire artwork bounding box, combining everything into a single file. Make your choice accordingly based on your project requirements. After setting these initial parameters, it's time to move forward by clicking the Export button. In some cases, if there's another dialog for format-specific options, you'll need to click OK to proceed further. Finally, you'll be presented with a format-specific dialog. This is where you can configure additional export options, such as the resolution, color mode, or transparency settings. Adjust these settings as required to achieve the best possible output for your needs. Once you're satisfied, click OK, and your file will begin the export process. And just like that, your file is exported. If you've chosen a raster format like PNG or JPEG, be mindful that you might see the export running in the background if that feature is enabled. Now, armed with this knowledge, you can confidently export your work and share it with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!